If you want to edit photos on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all we need to go to the gallery. Now once we open the gallery, we should be able to choose the photo that we wish to edit. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here, and then we can just simply tap on this pen icon that we have at the bottom of the screen. And now we can start editing our photo. So we can, for example, flip the photo, we can rotate it, we can switch to the other category where we can apply a filter pretty easily. We can go to this middle button in order to find the light balance adjustment. There is also the brightness slider, we have the exposure and the contrast and so on and so forth. You can also tap on automatic in order to let the phone quickly adjust all of these parameters for you. We can also go to the smiley face in order to find a couple of different markup options. So we can draw something on this screen, we can apply a sticker, and let's cancel that. Let's continue. And also we can use a text. Also here we have these 4 circles where we can find the object eraser, tidy up, lasso, spot color, color mix, and the style option. Now once you are done with the photo, once you are done with editing, you should be able to tap on these 3 dots in the upper right corner, and then you can save the edited photo as a copy, so you can keep the original photo, and this one is going to be saved separately. If you don't really mind overwriting the original photo, then you can also find a save button, of course, right next to 3 dots. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.